guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anmol and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. You know that Diwali season is coming very soon and we are left with only 10 days to this huge festival, and we have to do a lot of stuff like prepping our house, lighting our house, prepping ourselves, and not the distributing of the gifts this year because of all the corona and all, but the enjoyment is full on. So on that note, I just decided that I should bring a Diva series and I share all my 9 days series with you guys. 9 days or 10 days, you can see the Diva series list here, and I'm gonna do this all stuff in these days, and I just want that you should connect with me. Today is the day 1 of the series and it is the most important step, and it is the not preparation of for the makeup like prepping our skin, but it is like the full skincare. So I was little bit confused for this video because I was confused that I should use that home remedies things or that chemical products, but I just thought that like all the corona and we can't buy the stuff from outside, the delivery will take a lot of time, so we can easily collect the home things, and we can make the DIYs and the home remedies, mask and all. So it was more convenient, I guess, for you guys as well as for me. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the today's video. So first of all, I have to remove my accessories and my makeup. So the first step is to wash the face, and I don't think so you need any description to why to wash the face, but a little introduction. We have to wash the face to remove all the dust from our face and to clean the face. So don't use the face wash which are very heavy, like बहुत ज़्यादा जिसमें fragrance हो और बहुत आपके skin में itching करे, so never use that face wash. So I am done washing my face. The next step is to massage our face, and I will not use any chemical product. I will use the natural ingredients as mentioned earlier. For the massage cream, I am taking 2 teaspoons of the rice flour. We all know that rice flour works amazing as the scrubber. It removes all the dead skins from the skin. Moreover, if you are the oily person, then it will absorb the oil from your skin and it will help to cure your acne too. And the next is the olive oil, and I am taking 2 teaspoons of the olive oil. The olive oil works amazing as the antioxidant, and it has the vitamin A, K, D and E. Olive oil works amazing for moisturizing the skin too. And the massage cream is ready. I will take on my finger and massage for full 5 minutes, and be very gentle while massaging on the skin. And I often use these DIY remedies, and I just wanted that I share these with you guys too. So कभी-कभी पता है क्या होता है, जैसे हम बाहर के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करते हैं, जैसे हम स्किन केयर के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करते हैं, वो हर एक की स्किन पर नहीं जाते, बट द होम रेमेडीज, बट लाइक द होम नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स हर एक की स्किन पर चले जाते हैं. And like rice flour, it is available in everyone's home, I guess. These skins works magical on your skin, and moreover it is very affordable. अगर हम estimate लगाएं तो like rice flour will be of 20 to 30 rupees, and olive oil भी like full इतनी बड़ी bottle 900 rupees की थी only. तो जैसे हम बाहर का कोई भी एक्सपेंसिव लाइक हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट पर जाएं स्किन केयर का, उसका फेस वॉश भी 24-2500 का आता है. उससे अच्छा वो पता नहीं हमारे वो फेस पर काम करे ना करे, इट माइट बी रिस्क. हम लाइक DIYs ले और ये तो पक्का काम करते ही करते हैं हमारी स्किन पर. From past 4 to 5 months I have not purchased any skincare product from outside. I am using these only. My very good 5 minutes are done for the scrubbing. I will be right back after washing my face. And we have scrubbed our face. We have to scrub our lips too, क्योंकि ये ना हो कि ये dark लगे because of the frequent use of the lipstick. So most probably no one take care of the lips. So we'll use only 2 ingredients in this, and it is very common. It is available in your home very easily, I guarantee. So the camera is not justifying the white very clearly. I am using 2 teaspoon of the sugar. This is the chai wali sugar common granules. Adding the lemon, like ये आधा फेस मास्क के लिए रखा हुआ है. I have added the lemon, and the lemon juice works as the brightening agent for the skin and the lips. So you can add the honey too. I am not adding the honey because मेरे घर पर नहीं है. So the lip scrub is ready. Scrub for 2 to 3 minutes very gently because जौन से शुगर के granules होते हैं वो थोड़े harsh होते हैं, तो बहुत आराम से यूज करते हैं. So my lips is well scrubbed, like the sugar granules remove all my dead cells of my lips. So now it is time for making the mask, and ये बहुत common mask है, आपने नानी दादियाँ से सुना होगा ये mask के बारे में. So let's make that mask. So for the mask I am taking 2 teaspoon of the gram flour, मतलब बेसन in Indian language, बेसन, as the gram flour helps to brighten the skin, and जो भी आपके dead skin होगी, जो भी आपकी like problematic area होगी, उसको बिल्कुल even out करता है. जो भी like pigmented skin है, this thing helps that out very well. And my next ingredient is using the curd. So the curds help in shedding the dead cells on your skin, and it has the lactic acid, so it fights with the bacteria very well. The curd helps in the moisturizing of the skin too. जौन सा ग्राम फ्लोर होता है वो हमारी स्किन को थोड़ा ड्राई करता है, and the curd balanced it out. And the next ingredient is using the turmeric, haldi. Turmeric helps in glowing the skin. अगर आपके एक्ने या पिंपल के मार्क्स हैं, ये हेल्प करती है उसको रिमूव करने के लिए. So जब भी आपको पता ही है, जब भी हमारे चोट लगती है हम हल्दी का दूध वगैरह जरूर पीते हैं. So अगर आपके फेस पर कोई भी ऐसा मार्क है, अगर आपको कोई चोट लगी हुई, ये उसको हील करने के लिए भी बहुत काम आता है. जौन सी क्वांटिटी में डाल रही हूँ उतनी डालना, नहीं तो आपकी जौन सा ये मास्क होगा ना बहुत ज़्यादा लिक्विड ही हो जाएगा, तो आपके फेस पर टिकेगा भी नहीं. It should be like in this consistency. As earlier I told you the benefits of the lemon. थोड़ा सा डालना, ज़्यादा मत डालना. And next the most important ingredient is the विटामिन ई कैप्सूल. ये भी बहुत इजीली कोई भी केमिस्ट की दुकान से मिल जाएगा. So not only I apply on my skin or the hair, I eat this capsule too because ये inner glow भी तो आना चाहिए ना, जरूरी थोड़ी कि इससे ही आएगा. So yeah. So I'm not comfortable that I should apply with a brush. I will use my fingers. Most probably वो ज़्यादा even भी लगता है. Don't apply very thick or thin layer. Whenever the mask is getting dry, don't speak. Otherwise, your face will have more fine lines or the wrinkles. So avoid that. So my mask is dried up. I will back after washing this. So I washed my face. My face is seriously feeling very fresh. As earlier I told you कि gram flour थोड़ा dry होता है, and my face is like dry, little bit dry, not इतना सारा. Let's move on to the moisturizer and then lips, and we are then done with the skincare regime. As we are not using any artificial products, this is the Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel, and I'm gonna mix this vitamin E capsule. Mix this. So I'm using this DIY cream, but you can also use the cream which you use on the daily basis or which suits your skin very well. If you have sensitive skin, so you can go with this DIY cream. To be honest, I don't know how to make any lip mask, so I often use this Laneige lip sleeping mask, and I will apply this only. So my skin is ready to handle all my makeup and more stuff on my face. So yeah, this is for the day 1 of my series. So I hope you all love this video. So if you want to watch my all Diva series, please connect with me. And for that, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it, and please comment down below that how you like this video. Is it helpful for you or not? So yeah, so I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.